Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Furniture Suite, where we turn your living room into a green paradise. Today, I'm excited to share 15 incredible tips and tricks to help you decorate your living room with plants. Choose the right plants. First things first, choose the right plants for your space. Consider your lighting conditions. Some plants thrive in low light, while others need lots of sunshine. We've selected a mix of both to show you the possibilities. Popular low-light plants are snake plants, pothos, and peace lilies. For bright rooms, fiddle leaf figs or rubber plants. Mix plant sizes. Create visual interest by mixing plant sizes. Here, we've combined tall floor plants with smaller tabletop ones. It adds depth and variety to your decor. Use stylish planters. Stylish planters can be game changers. They can match your living room's aesthetic perfectly. Today we're showcasing ceramic, woven baskets, and modern metallic finishes. Group plants. Grouping plants together in clusters can make a bold statement. You can place them on a plant stand, creating a mini indoor garden right in your living room. Hanging plants. Hanging plants free up space while adding a dynamic element. It's perfect for small living rooms or to add a touch of fancy. Add texture and color. Adding plants with unique textures and colored foliage is must. Succulents and cacti offer a variety of shapes and textures that catch the eye. Use plant stands and shelving. Elevate some of your plants with decorative stands or wall-mounted shelves. It's a fantastic way to add depth and dimension to your decor. Create a focal point. Make one plant a focal point by placing it in a decorative pot or on a pedestal. This draws attention and adds drama to your living room. Incorporate vines. Climbing plants like ivy or philodendron can be trained to grow along walls or trellises, adding an elegant and fancy touch. Layer with other decor. Don't hesitate to combine plants with other decorative elements like artwork, mirrors, or candles to create a cohesive and balanced look. Rotate and prune. Remember to rotate your plants to ensure even growth, and don't be afraid to prune them to maintain their shape and health. Consider maintenance. Choose plants that match your level of commitment. Some require more care than others. Start with low-maintenance options if you're new to plant care. Personalize your space. Add a personal touch by choosing plants that have special meaning to you or incorporating plant-themed artwork or cushions. Create symmetry. If you prefer a more formal look, arrange your plants symmetrically on either side of a focal point, like a fireplace or TV. Monitor plant health. Last but not least, keep a close eye on your plants. Check for pests, water them appropriately, and dust their leaves to keep them vibrant and healthy. There you have it, 15 tips and tricks to transform your living room with plants. Remember, the key is to find a balance that complements your style and fits your space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below to share your thoughts or let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep decorating with nature's finest, and may your living room thrive with life and personality. Take care, and see you soon.